Then in the Western society, this compassion literally meaning to suffer together. It is feeling that arise when you are that means a person meet with another sufferings and feel motivated to relieve that suffering. Now you have to understand that compassion is something suffering together. That means if you have a compassionate heart, you are suffering with the person who is suffering. Now here we have to understand this one of the things very clearly, that is suffering together means not that like, okay, I'm in the good position, I see the person in the bad position or they're suffering, so that means not like give up all the my facilities, I also go them and suffer there. That means like a beggars begging, I see his suffering. So I mean, feel suffering together does not mean that you also go take a boat and sit down nearby him and begging the food or money from others. It's not like that. Of course, there is a very interesting stories we can see. There was in Sri Lanka, there was one of the well-known books that is called the Archika, that is the beggars. See, this was one professor. So he wanted to write a book about the beggars, the Archika. So he pretended, that means he became the beggars, and it is quite a long time, around, if I'm not wrong, around 2-3 years he was begging when he was writing his thesis. And where he was begging in front of the Colombian University. One day students of him saw, oh, this is our professor. They understood that. They, of course, from that it says he overcome, that means he give up that ways. So you see, of course, to understand, to feel what exactly going on there, we go there, but it does not mean there's somebody suffering, also go suffering and just experience something like that. That means someone suffering, think, if it is me, what will happen to me? I don't like to be suffer like that. Then might be this person also do not like to suffer like this way. So what I can do for this person, if there is any possibilities to be done, and you generate a compassionate thoughts in your mind, and you go to him and you support what you can do. Same ways. So we do sometimes, most of the time, materials. So Buddha did this Dhamma says. Buddha's problems, then the problem of a person that Buddha understood is cosmic suffering. The Buddha gave the medicine for this cosmic suffering. So that's why it says, you feel the other suffering like you are suffering, and feeling that you make a thoughts, generate ideas, how can I help? So you will help them. That means you feel motivated. Your feeling is motivated to relieve. That means, what is the relief means? The relief means you try to make him free from that suffering. Okay. And next thing is, you try to see the compassion is not the same as empathy and altruism, though the concepts are related. The compassion is not the same as empathy and altruism. So I would like to say somewhat about the altruism. Now, of course, altruism is something called, the doing for someone. But okay, we can read what is the difference. You see, empathy refers more generally to our ability to take the perspective of and feel the emotions of another person, while compassion is when these feelings, that means these feelings, then is the feeling of towards him that is come to your minds and thought include to desire to help. That means compassion is something that you see someone is suffering, so you are not stopped there. You are not stopped there. Your thought is, your compassion is not limited there. You go further there. You go beyond that. Okay, this is the person suffering. What I can do? So this is called the compassion. This is called the compassion. There is actually the term selfish behavior. Why there is selfish behavior? It might be like this. Now, altruism means parartha, doing something for others. But do you know why you do something for others? Inside meaning is, the hidden meaning is actually you are doing for someone is not really you want to do for someone. It is actually doing for yourself. Doing for yourself. Now suppose, let me give you an example. Don't take this example very seriously, just think it. Now we offer the foods to the Buddhas. So do you think Buddha eat all the foods? Or he is hungry? The hunger that Buddha had is already gone. It's now already 2,500 years ago. Actually, we are offering because we are practicing something called the dharma, detachment. We are practicing detachment. We are giving something back. We are always grieving. The loba is in our mind. We try to give something and we are practicing like that. So actually, we are doing all the alms. It's not because of the we really or the person who really receiving that person needed. Of course, somehow that person needed. For example, you support someone for studies. So when you're supporting, some people they are getting for benefits are there. But in the hidden meaning also, there are so many things that you're getting more than he getting. For example, punya, the meritorious activities, happiness, supporting others, the happiness you're getting. Do you think that happiness is simple happiness? It's not the simple happiness. When you offer something to someone, the happiness, if you really offer that thing to someone with really a great heart, so seeing that person is using or eating or taking use that things, you really feel the happy in your mind. So can you describe how much? How that feel is wonderful. Can you measure that feeling with the money? So you see, that's why actually, parartha. We are doing something for others. Okay, the receiver also the person who is receiving that gift, he also taking some benefits. In the same time, we also actually getting the benefits in the hidden things. So that's why this can be said the selfish behavior often promoted. Of course, when we say the selfish behavior, we are doing things bad ways. But in this sense, this selfish, the terms we have to see actually in the positive ways. So this is the word actually I would like to say, words on compassion by the modern Buddhist scholar. So most venerable Dalai Lama is actually very famous for this concept because his most of the talks actually based on the compassion. So what he said about this compassion, he said compassion. If you want others to be happy, practice compassion. That means if you want others to be happy or they feel safe, they feel happy, and practice your compassion. That means you have to have compassion in mind. Then, for example, now sometimes the some animals are not feel safety when they are around some bad guys, bad person. But they are feel so happy, so safe when they are around someone who looks after them, who seems kind, who compassion. That's why if you want others to feel happy, then practice your compassion. That's what it says. And if you want to be happy, still you have to practice your compassion. That means you practice compassion for others, they are happy. When they are happy, you also be happy. You see, then two things. By practicing compassion, The whole world is happiness. Happy. So this is what he said. This is another things. He said, further he said, most Honorable Dalai Lama said, compassion are necessities. These are the most important. Compassion is the most important, not the luxuries. Without compassion, humanity cannot survive. So this is very strong words we have to think about. And these actually we cannot say that Shantideva is the modern. He is a very post-Buddhist philosopher, a long time ago. So it says, especially in the Tantrayana or in the Mahayana as well as in the Vajrayana, we see this is fuller. He said, all the suffering in the world comes from selfishness. It's only me. I am the leaders. I am the person. I am the person we have to follow. I am the person who can guide you. I am the one and only. I-ness is there. Yes. So, all the suffering is coming including the world because of I. This is the country must be powerful in the world. Nobody can. No, you can't. You know. We are the person should be. So that's why all the happiness in the world comes from compassion. We have to see others also like to be happy. Others also like to be enjoy the facilities. Others also like to be free from suffering. Why only we try to get rid from the suffering and this world? Why? So that's why instead of